how to see all your comments on Facebook. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can see all your comments on Facebook. Well, to see all your comments on Facebook, you want to first open up Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here, you can tap on the hamburger icon at the bottom right corner, the menu icon, and then tap on settings at the top right. Once under settings, you want to scroll down and you want to find the option that says activity log. Right here, you should be able to find it, the option under your activity, tap on it. Then here, what you want to do is you want to head over to your Facebook activity and you can see comments and reactions. Tap on manage comments and reactions. Then what you want to do is you want to use the filters, tap on categories, and then you want to select comments, and then you can view all the comments here. Your comments, as you can see, if you want, you can delete them all as well, selecting all and then trashing it. Hope this video was helpful. This is how you can see all your comments on Facebook. Do like and subscribe.